All right, so the 360 and 10 and 2. So the way we want to set up for this is you're going to chop up at the hips right here. You'll pick it up with your mace hand, closest to the head, base hand, palm down right here. So you're going to vertically stack it in line with your spine. And you're set up right here. Make sure you keep those shoulders down and back. Now this is the common question I get, which side do I do? I always tell someone to push with their base hand, pointing their index finger. So you push and pull it back in. Notice how with the 360, I'm pushing and pulling back in toward my belly button. It's not going over my shoulders. If I push it over my shoulders, it's gonna go into my traps. We want to utilize the lats, the wings right here, to get it going. If you want to use your other side, I'm okay with that. Just remember, I prefer both sides because eventually you have to do what's called the 10 and 2. So the 10 and 2 is I bring at 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It's no longer going vertical. It's the one arm swing for steel mace training. I have to pull it in toward my belly button and it's constantly decelerating right here, accelerating back right here. So make sure you get your 360 down first, going one direction with a static grip you feel comfortable with, but make sure you do both sides when it comes to the 360. So I did that side. I'm gonna push this way, pull it in, right there. Go slow first, and then you can add a little bit more speed with your 360s. As long as you got it controlled, you're not weaving your head up like this. We don't want to be kipping the hips. I typically see this a lot on YouTube where people jerk their hips forward because they don't have enough shoulder mobility. They'll cram it and back in right here. Try to keep this neck long, shoulders are down and back, hips are stable right here. You can get a little bit of slight rotation in your torso to pull it in, especially when it comes to heavier maces. So be sure to put all those together, safely bring it back down, hinging it down. That's how you perform the 360 and 10 and 2.